This Align Right Realty property video is presented by George Hahn. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Florence floor plan is in immaculate condition and move-in ready. Throughout this home you can find crown molding and 18 ceramic diagonal tile. The gorgeous kitchen boasts solid wood cabinets, stainless steel LG appliances, stone backsplash matching the granite countertop, and breakfast bar to ease into your morning. Popular split plan with owner's suite that features 2 walk-in closet and private en-suite bath with double sink, comfort height vanity and large, tiled walk-in shower with bench seat. The second bedroom is perfect for overnight guests, with the second bath located conveniently near it. This open floor plan opens to the screened-in lanai with a water view. Perfect for a relaxing evening as the sun sets. Located in the sought-after, resort-style, 55+ community-Valencia lakes. The waterfront outdoor recreation area includes resort-style heated pool, lap swim area, and resistance pool. Inside the 27,000 square feet clubhouse you will find a huge social hall for events, aerobics, fitness, steam rooms, saunas, billiards, card room, internet cafe, and more. The community also includes Har-Tru tennis courts, half-court basketball, racquetball, horseshoes, shuffleboard and bocce courts, dog park, baseball park, and RV/boat storage area. This premier community is located 30-45 minutes from Tampa, St. Pete and Sarasota. For more information, review the details below or contact George Hahn at 813-833-4130.